What's up, guys? Alright, I'm gonna try to make this video short because the other video I was gonna post, it was too long, so I have to kind of restart and try to make it shorter. Alright, this is the original stock EBCS. The EBCS is the electronic boost control solenoid. Alright, the original one comes with this cap. Alright, there's another slot here for another hose that we don't need, that we don't use. This right here connects to the wastegate, and this one connects to pretty much to like the turbo or whatever it's called. All right, just trying to talk quick. Sorry, guys. I'm not trying to make this video really long. So what I did today was I bought I got in the mail a couple days ago, and then I had to order the harness as well, which I'll explain in a bit. So I am installing the Borgwarner. There's a new one, the aftermarket one, the Borgwarner EBCS, the electronic boost control solenoid. Alright, so what I did was, you know how on this one is actually blocked off with that plastic piece that I showed you guys? We don't use this one. This is pretty much like a breather. So what I did was I just cut this this hose. That's why you see these little hairs there. That's just to breathe, and I did that just so that way not too much dirt can get in there and block it off or whatever. Alright, another question I asked someone, a couple people told me, is leave that filter looking type of thing, whatever you want to call it, leave it on there because it's there for a purpose. This one connects to the wastegate, which is the one with the filter. The one in the back connects to the turbo. That's the harness. I had to order the harness because the original plug from the vehicle does not connect to the Borgwarner one. What I did also here for the Borgwarner was it comes with two slots on the sides, two hooks on the sides, that is for you to be able to connect it, I guess, to the turbo, to the aftermarket turbos from Borgwarner, and you can be able to screw it on. So I don't want to screw it on because I have no use for that, and there's nowhere for me to screw it on to. So what I did was I cut it off with some skinny pointy pliers to cut. I cut that off so that way I can be able to put the solenoid in this hose, so that in this rubber so that way it can be like original, like factory, and I don't have to go crazy trying to find a spot where to connect it. The reason why I changed it was just because a lot of people tell me that the stock ones are garbage, that these are garbage and they suck and they tend to give a lot of problems. My car was having a lot of hesitation, like it wasn't holding boost, especially after I installed a couple aftermarket parts like the cold pipe, hot pipe, blow-up valve, lap 3 ECU, tuned with launch control, and 6-element intake. So I'll show you guys what I have. So other than the lap 3 ECU tuned, I do have the hot pipe from 6-element, which I'll show you guys. Alright, remember here there was a resonator to eliminate the kind of like the sound, so that's gone. This is really nice. I'll show you guys. Boom, it goes right there. And this is from 6-element, and then this one is from Torx Motorsports with the Turbo Smart blow-up valve. It's a Turbo Smart V port. This is the cold pipe. It's really nice. Right here I have the aftermarket from lap 3, which is the Mac blow-up valve solenoid already connected on there. All right. Next thing I want to replace is this, because this one sucks. The original one for our cars is garbage. It's too small and we need more airflow and cooler air. So these are garbage. I need to replace this with something better. Also, what I did was I already eliminated the second catalytic converter. It's gone, and the resonator is gone, and so is the muffler. It has way better flow. It sounds nice, sounds mean, and it drives way better. The next thing I want to do is remove the that right there, the catalytic converter, the downpipe. I want to do a catless downpipe, which that's next. And I am going to be replacing later on there's the mount, and I'm gonna be putting an aftermarket mount. I'm also going to be replacing the clutch, the clutch, what's it called, the washers or whatever. I'm going to be Fuck, I forgot the name. The whatever it's called. I'm gonna be changing all that because I have some gear issues where sometimes the gears don't want to go in and they tend to kind of grind a little bit. Not so much grind, it's kind of like you feel like it goes in rough. So I am going to be changing those as well. I'm going to be putting a short shifter, and I'm going to be changing a lot of things on the car to make it drive better. But yep, that is it. If you guys do have any questions about the Borgwarner solenoid, the boost control solenoid, let me know. All right, guys. All right. Well, I'm about to test it out. And remember, disconnect the battery before you work on it, just so when you connect it back, and after you're done and you connect it back, so it can reset. Since I have the lap 3 ECU tuned with launch control and everything, I definitely want it to reset so it can start reading all the sensors once I turn the car on or the switch on, so it can start reading all the sensors again and kind of reboot pretty much, or reprogram itself. So definitely connect the battery back once you're done, or meaning disconnect it before you start working. That's what I'm trying to say. But I'll let you guys know how this feels with the new one, with the aftermarket one, and hopefully it definitely helps with the little lag issues and hesitations I'd be having. All right, guys. Well, this is it, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.